My name is Joel Close. I'm a member owner of American Bioenergy Services. My job responsibilities here were to help manage the process of the substrate and manure coming into this facility.
In this anaerobic digestion facility, currently we process the manure coming from the participating farms, and we produce natural gas that gets compressed into trailers, and then they get taken into a natural gas pipeline injection point where they get dispensed.
We used to have side entry mixers here. They struggled, they would break, and it's a huge undertaking. I lower the liquid level in the digester over halfway. We went all to Flygt submersibles with the Biz 1 mast assembly and stuff like that. We've had no more issues since then.
The benefit of having the mixers in place is the capability of adjustment, especially in the designs for the digesters. You have the capability of bringing the mixer up or down or changing its position. Comparing it to a long axle mixer, you wouldn't have any adjustment capabilities.
You can change the liquid level with the Biz 1. You can raise and lower them. You can change the direction on what you want to mix. And they do full swings from left to right. Some of the other units that I've seen only go so far back. I've tried other mixers and stuff. I've had the great opportunity to try all sorts of stuff. I'm done trying. My name is Joel Close, and I count on Flygt.